Welcome back, everybody. We have for you today the Fiery Hawaiian of destruction, starting off with some crispy bacon. Check out that shot. That was a really difficult one to get. First off, we're gonna start with our tortilla, then throw down some freaking sauce, and then a little bit of magic. See, I took a train up to the middle of the mountains and trained with monks for years to learn that trick. But the cheese is different. The cheese plays by different rules. Magic doesn't work on it as well as bacon. Bacon must be done manually, but chicken's a different story. You see me flap that fly? I trained with the freaking Mayans in the temples to learn that kind of skill set. But moving on to the pineapple. Pineapple is evenly dispersed throughout the entire pizza. Then we use fiery, roasted, red hot peppers. And we coat the pizza and all its nooks and crannies to add flavor. The flavor gods will approve. And then we coat it with some cheese. Cheese on the bottom, cheese on the top. Now we have a cheese sandwich that's worthy of everything. Cheese is what this world is made of. Cheese is what will keep this world going.
Hey guys, Wizard here, and I have something for you. My sponsors, fire roasted red hot peppers. They just want you to let you know that they're way better than green peppers, way better than yellow peppers, and way better than purple peppers, okay? These are the best peppers on the freaking market, okay? And they told me to tell you guys to buy them. So, what you need to do, you get to the... Damn it! I see behind me.
All right, back to what's important. Look at that pizza, the freaking Hawaiian. That's what I said, Hawaiian. It's not a fiery Hawaiian just yet. It's about to go through its final phase, the phase that will determine everything. Oh, now it is a fiery Hawaiian of destruction, something that will destroy people's colons, but have their palates cleansed with deliciousness. This pizza is capable of so much. It's good, it's great, it's bad, and it's ugly, but my God, is it tasty.